On a rainy afternoon in Chicago, Marcus Turner ran into Riverside Children's Hospital, carrying his 7-year-old daughter, Amira. She could barely breathe, her tiny chest fighting for air. "Please, my daughter needs help." He begged the receptionist, but she only handed him a form. Minutes later, Dr. Stephen Collins walked in, cold eyes, sharp voice asking, "Do you have insurance?" Marcus said yes, but the doctor scoffed, saying treatment is expensive. Maybe try a free clinic. Amira coughed harder, gasping for breath, and Marcus shouted, "I said I have insurance." The doctor turned away thinking he was poor, but what happened the next day left the whole hospital in shock. So what do you think Marcus did?